What is up, guys? Today's the 19th, and today's topic is on the wall. There's a lot of back and forth on what this really meant as far as like us making video. So, a few of us thought it meant like, what do we have hanging on our wall that's sentimental to us, like as far as our woodworking is gone. I got three pieces that are probably, I would say, fit in that category. So, we're gonna go through it quick. This is my first flag I ever made. I When I bought the stencil, I didn't realize how small it actually was. So when it got here, this is the only size I had. So for the first whole year, these little flags were the first ones I was making. But this is the very first one. I signed it with the date on the back. It's been on my wall ever since I made it. I was like, you know what? It's not perfect. It's not great, but I'm going to put it on the wall and it's going to be with me forever. On this wall over here, sometimes when I'm moving around in the shop making like a building video or whatever, you'll see there's a big one. That was my first big one that I ever put together, and that is actually my least popular one. Everybody seems to like the medium size, like I think they come out to like 24 by 15, but that's not the exact measurements. That's like the generic measurements. But so I got the first flag. I got a little sign I made when I first got my Miles Craft sign maker kit. This is the first sign I made with it. It was just a lot of fun learning how to do it. So I just finished it, threw it up on the wall with this flag and some other stuff over there. Last but not least, my son made me the little American flag, and he said that every time I make a flag, he's going to make a flag. So he was making these little paper flags that they got from school. And he made me this, so it's on the wall right next to the first flag. So that'll do it, guys. That's what's on the wall. As far as sentimental value goes, I mean, you can see maybe right here is the level that we talked about earlier. You know, I always have the American flag on this wall behind me, and on the front of this table there's another one, because usually if it's real nice out, I'll push this table out of the garage, and I'll use it out on the driveway, and that'll free up the garage for more. The tables along the walls can all come out. That'll do it, guys. So I will see you guys back here tomorrow for another one, and as always, guys, get to work.